Alright, so let me show you here real quick what I'm talking about. So, on this Adidas one right here, first of all, so it says size triple E. That's the one that's for sale on here on the website. However, we can't sell that shoe because, first of all, I mean, we don't really normally we'll buy those. Sometimes we will, especially maybe if it's a Nike, but even if we did, there's no listing for it on this. There's, M, for medium, which is the regular general shoe size. So, yeah, so that would be the case there as far as like, it's a size triple E, which is not a size we generally sell, but even that's the case, it's not even listed here when you look here on Variation Viewer or here. Okay, so as the thing is here is, like you see here, size triple E is, we need size D. They're sold out on the D size, so that doesn't work. The other thing was on this one was that we're going to look at both pictures here, okay? So, let me get that one, and let me get this one. So there's this one, which is the Amazon listing, and then there's this one, which is the website listing. The problem is that if you look at that shoe, look at the swoosh on this, there's no border or line around it, where on this one there is. And so once again, there's no white around the edge. Like this has it here on the edge. I know it's very petty, and that that's a very small thing. The problem is that if somebody buys this, they could file a complaint with Amazon and say item not as described, and that could actually get us suspended if we have too many of those. So unfortunately, you just have to be very careful on those, and the shoe has to be exactly the way it is on Amazon. So let me know if any questions. Thank you.